everybody. Hello there. How y'all doing? Are you a-okay in your neck of the woods? Whoop. What up? Manners and respect. Hey, your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Yeah, man. Hey, everybody, how you all doing? That's for the English who don't understand the patois. But for who understand the patois now, what up? Manners and respect. So I don't know it go. Anyhow, well, do a little video phone right here so in the evening. You know them time of year when the Mother's Day in the year, them little beverage and them always come up. So we have some ice inside our blender and we have some freshly brewed coffee, but it was brewed and chilled. So it's well cold, real cold. So this is about 3.5 cups. So we're gonna pour in about 1.5 cups ice. Oops, I would think that's it. So we have a tin of condensed milk right here. We're going to pour in more side. Oops. Oops. We have a small carton of evaporated milk. I'm going to pour it right in. We have it's a little iced coffee. Our thing we are set up, you know, from West India and the lights. You don't know we are trying to do for a little thing. We don't have no money like that for go buy them something there, you know. So we have to try to help ourselves. So while doing that, we just wanna, you know, enlighten you on how we do our thing. About a 3/4 cup our vanilla. And we're gonna blend. We're gonna chop ice crush first, and then this, let them see it. Instead of frothiness where it come with family. Alright. So our one, it's so creamy that you can't realize it's coffee, but you see me pouring the coffee. So you know it's iced coffee, well creamy. So you know we're gonna pour some in our cup. I will have a little frappuccino cup. And we have a little. Yep. So it look nice, family. Yeah, man. Alright. So this now, we have a little ice cream around here, so. And we're going to put in a scoop. Nice, like reasonable little scoop on the top. Whoops. That's a little gig. Yep. And that's it. My version of iced coffee. You just brew some coffee. Yeah, man. And it's better to use the zoom right in on it. It's better to use the coffee that you brewed. You know? Not the instant one. The brewing one is always stronger. So all of you mothers who out there, you don't have no coffee maker and them something you want to get from all and you don't have them. Take them out, man, a Mother's Day, man, and make one of them little treat. You brew up your coffee. Whip up something in your blender, man. Yeah. See it? Zoom in on it, man. Make them see it. From my kitchen to yours. Creamy iced coffee. Yeah, man. Enjoy. Yeah. Right? I don't know, I got taste, but before me taste, I want to extend a happy, blessed, well-rest, prosperous Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. Whether you're in tune to my channel, yes or no, we are all mothers. We know the journey, we know the sacrifices, we know everything. The mothers are in so many categories. Me not have the time to categorize them. Some mothers, they have never had any biological children, but sometimes them do better than biological mothers. Big up on yourself. Boom. Yeah, man. The fathers that are mothers, Mr. Mom, big up on yourself. Boom. Yeah, man. Remember and stay blessed. Give thanks for life. If you never get to go out, whip up a nice little iced coffee in your house and build back and chill. When we say build back and chill, it's a Jamaican slang thing. It simply means relax. Yeah, man. So once again, from West Indian Delights, Happy Mother's Day. And also, from my kitchen to yours, iced coffee with a twist. Creamy iced coffee with a twist. And you know we're going to taste. Enjoy. It kick up rumpus. Me say it kick up rumpus. Listen to me. You need to try this. The strength of the coffee, the creaminess of the two milk combined, and the ice cream. You need to try this. Once more, from my kitchen to yours. Happy Mother's Day. Enjoy. And yeah man, I Debbie from down a yard. Big up on yourself.